Y'all already know who it is. Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a quick video on Amazon/Kindle self-publishing. What I want to talk about today is a case study, not of a book, but of a current phenomenon going out right now in the world. If you don't know already, Lil Tay is the youngest flexor of the century, 9-year-old Asian girl, self-proclaimed millionaire drug dealer. So she has been out since, I believe, April, with the most viral social media videos out right now. Basically, she's a 9-year-old flexing on all y'all with her millions of dollars, and y'all just broke-ass haters because y'all jealous and behind on your rent. So she has over 2 million followers, 9 years old again, and she's the hottest thing out right now on social media, with millions upon millions, altogether hundreds of millions of views on her social media channel. Check this out real quick. Driving 9-year-old.
All y'all grown-ass men hating on a 9-year-old. I ain't got no license, but I drive 400 racks on this car, bitch. Y'all don't even have a car. I ain't got no license, but I be driving this around. I bought this gold, bitch. Y'all saying I rent my cars? Bitch, hell no, I don't rent my car. If I rented my car, do you think I'll be doing this? Bitch!
Why would you lift your car?
Get your money up before you start hating on me, bitch. Lil Tay rich and finna get richer.
Lil Tay rich, gonna finna get richer. Yeah, lots of shock value there. So she's been all over the news. She's been on Good Morning America, along with some other shows, and getting sponsorship deals. She is killing it right now in the world. Another quick video on her sponsorship deal with headphones from TMZ.
What's up, Lil Tay? How you doing? I like those headphones. I heard you got $1 million deal for these headphones. True?
Yeah, you already know what it is. Lil Tay be closing $1 million deals.
Really?
Why you asking, bro?
Well,
You behind on your rent?
I am actually. Let me ask you, like, Tekashi 69 got dropped from this. What do you think
Lil
about?
Tay rich and finna get richer, bitch.
Fantastic. Thank you, miss.
Yeah. So what can we learn from Lil Tay, the youngest flexor of the century, as it relates to keywords? Trends sell. Trends are opportunity for you to make massive amounts of income, which relates to the Elite Keyword Mastermind, my current course for learning how to find the hottest keywords, how to find keywords within minutes, if not sometimes seconds. Link is below if you're interested. But what can we learn from Lil Tay? Trends sell. Short-term trends can provide you opportunity. And as it relates to books, yes, keywords that are based on fads or short-term trends can and probably will die out within at the most a year, if not several months. But while that keyword is hot, it can make you thousands and thousands of dollars. For Lil Tay, this little stint she's doing that's only lasted about 2 months has already made her a real $1 million deal. People need to use attention to leverage marketing products. Attention sells, and you can make money off attention. Now, I'm not going to condone doing this, but this is an idea I did have in my head. Don't do it. I'm not going to do it either. But just say that you published the unauthorized biography of Lil Tay, the 9-year-old. How well do you think that would sell? Think about it. Have you already thought about publishing a guide for Lil Tay as far as her biography? Think about that. That would sell fucking hundreds of copies a day once people caught on that there was such a biography on Amazon. Although she is pretty aggressive with getting unauthorized content removed, so don't do it. But if it were allowable, you could make a killing easily, even within 5 days of the book being out, and run with that shit. But yeah, so take advantage of trends. Yes, I absolutely believe that you should build a brand long term with products, mainly here for books as it relates to Amazon publishing. But hell, if you can run away with producing some content for $200 and making 10,000 bucks out of it, why not? So if you just think about that, and if you're interested in making money the quick and easy way, the fast money, everyone likes fast money, check out the Elite Keyword Mastermind. Link is below.